Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you my AFERY power station. This is the 2500 watt version, so it can charge, it can power something that's drawing up to 2500 watts, which is a ton of power. And also it has a 2 kilowatt hour battery. The main reason, now I wanted that high wattage because I wanted to be able to use this for pretty much anything in my household. This is like, not only do I use it just for auxiliary power and portable power, but I also use it in case the power goes out in my house. I want to be able to, run my refrigerator, run my dryer, run my washer, run my kettle, my tea kettle, everything like that, my electric tea kettle. Now it's not going to run all of that stuff at once, but I can run any of those things up to my tea kettle. It pulls 2 kilowatts, 2000 watts while it's heating, and this handles it no problem. I'm just going to go over a couple of things real quickly. Right now you can see, I'll just show you the screen right now. This has the input that it's charging at. It's charging at 85 watts. I have it hooked up to this solar panel right here that I have it, and I have it plugged in right over here. And this is where you plug it in if you want to charge it on the solar panel. You can also just plug it straight into the wall. It has this plug here if you want to just use this as portable power and charge it up on the wall. So I'm at 92% charged right now. So this right here is giving me how much time until it's fully charged. So right now I would need 2 hours of this type of energy flow in order to charge it all the way up. Now it has 2500 watts and it has 3 separate plugs in here. So when you want to use it, you just make sure you hit the button to turn it on, to turn the, what do you call it? The inverter on. That's, I'm trying to think of the word I'm trying to think of. Inverting the DC to the AC so that you can run anything, plug in your AC stuff here up to 2500 watts. It also has all of these USB outputs on here. I use my, I run my computers and everything off of here because I'm using this as to store energy, but then, since I'm producing it every day, I'll run it down like 10% or 15% a day while I'm running my stuff. You also have your cigarette lighter DC output here. You have another 12 volt output there if you need that. You have your different 12 volt outputs here. It has this light here that I can turn on. It's pretty bright, so you hardly need it right now. I mean, if I hit it again, it'll blink, that kind of like SOS, or it'll just give me that straight flashing. And then I can do that. Another thing I can do is, I think it's a double click on here. Yeah, it's a double click. I don't know if you see that. I can dim that screen so it consumes a little bit less power when I don't need so much power. And then also if I want to charge a phone or something like that, I don't want it to get hot and be in the sun, I can just set it in here, and it has a little cable. And one last thing, by the way, I said I was charging it on this cable here. It came with this cable which hooked right up into my solar panel. I didn't need to buy anything. I already had the panel and the wiring coming off the panel just fit right into the wiring that was included with the power station. And it also came with that little package you can see on there. It's just a power cable if you want to plug this in so that it will charge against the wall. So anyways, and really the reason that I chose this unit over the other options is really I was just looking at the specs of the max wattage output and the battery size, and this was the best price that I found for anything with those two specs. Now the battery cycling, it'll do 4,000 cycles of charge and discharge until it gets down to that 80% maximum capacity, which is still like a ton of cycles. They do have like sort of one higher quality level of battery that can do, I forget what it is, like 8,000 or 7,000 cycles, but 4,000 cycles, that's like basically running this thing all the way from full to empty every single day for like 12 years or something like that until it's at 80%. So by then we'll probably, I don't know, who knows where the world will be at in 12 years to this, but this is all I need for, and it was really at a great price. So if you're interested in this, I will put a link to where you can get it.